He can be hot and cold throughout the season, and he can be hot and cold within one outing.
A 1-2. And his strikeouts open Maeda's night, getting Bichette to chase back-to-back sliders.
Awaits a 2-2 for Maeda. Here it comes. Swung on and missed, strike 3.
Another 2-2 to the opposing pitcher. And he got him looking to finish the second.
The 3-2. Call strike 3. And the 1-2. Swung on and missed, strike 3.
On this 1-2. He pulls the first hit of the night for the Dodgers into left.
1-0 Jays, top of the 4th. Swung on and missed, strike 3. 6 strikeouts for Maeda. He retires the side in order.
On the corner to get Fisher looking. And Maeda keeps on rolling.
Here's the 3-2. Tellez strikes out swinging. 8th strikeout.
Richard down on strikes. So Maeda with 9 Ks. Gets in on him, flex to left. Here comes Peterson to take a hit away.
That's a planned awkwardness at the end of that, because it's either a dive or stay on your feet and run through it. So you're making that decision the whole way, and Jock is between the two.
Yimi Garcia strikes out the side. Line drive, center field, base hit. Here comes Seager. Throw home, offline. They do it again.
Kike, you guys can't do anything easily, can you?
No, we like to make things interesting.
You know that this is down to the final out of the game. Take me through the at-bat in which you're trying to capitalize in that situation. Everybody wants to win it at that point, but you actually get it done.
Yeah, I mean, the guys in front of me did a great job, you know. Getting on base, Cody with that big double, Corey again with a big double again, and, you know, just trying to get base hit, not do too much, and I'm glad that my bat wasn't cupped, and the end of the bat was able to help me out to throw that bleeder out there.
Walk, double, double, then the winner. Is it just an expectation at this point?
I mean, we've been doing it all year. We're not going to give up till out number 27, especially here at home. We like to walk off, and yeah, bobblehead.
Yeah, you like to walk off on your bobblehead night. You're just waiting till the bottom of the ninth, right? You're just waiting to do it in front of your family, in front of these fans on your second career bobblehead night.
Yeah, people talk about bobblehead homers, but I'll take the walk-off hit.
And with your first bobblehead, your dad threw out the ceremony of first pitch. You told me about that game. Today it's your sister. This one works better, right? Sister next time over dad.
Yeah, absolutely. Last year, my bobblehead night, we lost the game. Lostes got knocks and game-winning hits.
Felicidades. Nice job on this.
Gracias.
Believe it or not, they do it again. 3 runs in the bottom of the ninth, and this man right here walks it off.
He does. Second career bobblehead. The bobblehead now on Kike night is 500. They lost the first one. They won this one in a big way. And a memory for 49,000 fans that showed up. They get the bobblehead, and what a memory they take home.
I mean, it's emblematic of the season, right? They find a way on a night where They go 8 innings and have 1 hit. It belonged to the pitcher. And then in the 9th, they string these hits together, 3 in a row, in fact, to win it 3-2.
Yeah, if it had gotten 1 hit in Kenta Maeda, that would have been a season low.
Right.
It would have been the 5th time they've been shut out, but they turned the whole scenario upside down, and it's a lot of fun. This could have been a trap game with the Yankees coming in tomorrow, big series. Everybody's talking about it. Looked like it might have been a sleeper for them, but they turned it around in the 9th.
Instead of a 5th shutout loss, it is a 12th walk-off win.